In this video, we're going to learn some functions and methods that we can use to manipulate strings. Okay, so first of all, let's create a string variable and call it message. So we're going to set it to welcome to my website. Have a good time exploring my website. All right. Okay, so first we want to get the length of our string. Okay, so we're going to echo length of my message. Okay, and now we're going to concatenate this string with another string, and we're going to use a function string length. Okay, so if you want to explore the function, just do Control K, and you can see that it will get the string length. Okay. All right, so the parameter we're going to give it is going to be our string message. And now if you save and refresh, we can see that the length of our message is 61 characters. Okay. All right, so now let's have a line break. Okay. Now we want to count the number of words inside our string. So we're going to echo my message contains, and we're going to add a string, and this time we're going to use the function string word count, str underscore word count. Okay, and let's give it as a parameter the message variable, and at the end let's add another string words. Okay, so if you refresh the page, you can see that our message contains 11 words. Okay, all right, so let's define another, let's echo another line break. All right, and this time we're going to try something different. So we're going to replace all the words website with another word world. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use a function. Okay, let's echo this. So we're going to use a function str replace, string replace. Okay, and this function is going to take a couple of parameters. So a few parameters. Okay, so we're going to have first the word we want to replace, which is website, and then separating with a comma, we're going to have the word we want to use, okay, to replace the old one, and then after a comma we are going to place the string or the variable in question. So we can add another variable if we want to, and this another parameter, and this parameter is going to store the number of words which have been replaced. Okay, and I'm going to call it number of words replaced. Okay, so if we save and refresh the page, Okay, let's refresh again. Okay, so now we can see the value of or what the function has returned. So the function will just process all this and is going to return the new value of message. So we can see that all the words websites, they have been replaced by world. All right. Okay, so if we echo message, okay, we'll see that message is still the old message. So the function string replace is not changing the variable message. It's just returning message with the changes, but the actual variable message is still the same. Okay. Okay, so let's take this away. So now let's have a line break. Okay, and now let's check this number of words replaced. Okay, so you're gonna echo number of words replaced, and we're gonna add this variable, and let's add words. Okay, so let's refresh the page, and we can see that we have replaced 2 words. Okay. All right, so one last function before we finish. Let's have a line break, and let's use a function which is going to reverse our message. Okay, so I'm just gonna echo a string. Can you read from the right? Okay, and let's have a line break after that, and let's add our message in the reverse way. So we're going to use the function str reverse. Okay, and we're going to give it the message variable as a parameter. Now if we refresh, we can see that our message string now is reversed.